You know, Anthony Bourdain from Year to 2018. And they all have the same quote, right? Travel changes you. Are they blaming the travel for the suicide? Like pre-travel, he was all happy. Then he saw, wow, Chinese people are so fucking loud, and they have wheelie suitcases everywhere. Might as well kill myself. Okay. I feel like maybe suicide, when you guys were not on board with me, was probably not the best choice of topic to talk about. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I cannot be up here doing like 1,000,000 hours in between people. So I'm gonna start sticking to one short joke in between people. This is a palate cleanser for you guys. Whether the joke is funny or not makes no difference. I'm gonna keep the show going at a good clip. But you guys have to promise to loosen up and laugh. Okay. Really making me believe it, guys. Let's just practice it. Everyone just cheer. Everyone just cheer. Woo! Loud. Let's try that again with more enthusiasm. We are. Okay. More than before, less than that. Let's do it one more time. Come on, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. It sucks when you look like me because people make judgments about you. And even though I look like this, I don't only date Asian women. I have dated women from all around the world. You know, I used to date this Irish girl, and she was fantastic. Because like she treated me like royalty. She tried to blow me up with a car bomb. I used to date this Egyptian woman, and she was fantastic. You know, she really treated me like royalty. She tried to bury me alive at the age of 14. You guys are breaking the contract again.
Okay.
This is the last one before I bring up your second act, and then after this, it's just one in between people. I used to date a French woman, and you guys aren't going to believe this, but she was fantastic. You know, she really treated me like royalty. She chased me through a tunnel till I got in a car accident. I'm Canadian, she's my princess too. Guys, are you ready for your second person tonight who is not me?
Yeah.
Was expecting that to get a bigger response. Are you ready for your second comedian? Then on the stage, Dr. Stuart Taylor.
If I don't stumble all over everything, I'm glad to be here in Hong Kong doing Hong Kong comedy. This is just so much fun. Isn't Andrew doing great? He's funny. He's looking slender. He's not half the man he used to be. And he's talking about cattle. You know, I'm kind of science guy. In science, you know, the physicist was asked to describe a cow, to write an equation for a cow. And the first thing he says is, consider a spherical cow. Okay, well, that has to do with my theme of hot balls of gas. I love yelling hot balls of gas. I'm also an American, and I come from a pretty strange place. Being an astronomer, I'm a pretty strange place. So, being an astronomer, we love yelling hot balls of gas because stars are just hot balls of gas.
Yeah.
And so us astronomers, we like observing stars. That's right. We like looking up in the sky and observing hot balls of gas. Being in astronomy, we know where we are in the universe. We're on this cold ball of rock going around the hottest thing in the solar system. Yeah, we like hot balls going round and round. We're close to the hot ball. We're far from Uranus. Yeah, I mean, I can talk all night about Uranus. I know I learned a lot about Uranus, but some things I thought I understood. I thought I really knew all the details about Uranus, but I didn't really know the facts about Uranus. I could tell you, did you know that Uranus is big? Uranus is 4 times as big as the Earth. But it wasn't until the 1980s that NASA got its first pictures of Uranus. Sent a space probe out because people wanted to see Uranus really bad. You know, Uranus is one of the 5 brightest stars in the sky. Uranus is pretty faint. Uranus was discovered by William Herschel with help from his sister. So after we finally got to see Uranus, now we want to send a probe down into Uranus. But a probe will get squashed by the high pressures because there's more gas in Uranus than the Earth. Uranus is just full of gas. It's cold outside. Uranus is warm inside. Uranus will crush the gas. But I used to say, never fear. Uranus doesn't smell bad. I was wrong. Last month, astronomers discovered Uranus smells like hydrogen sulfide. Uranus smells bad. Uranus has methane. We know Uranus has methane. Did you know methane doesn't smell bad? They have to, methane is natural gas. And they have to put stuff in it to make it smell bad so it doesn't. So if you're I used to say that if you're in Uranus, you wouldn't smell anything because methane doesn't smell anything, but they discovered hydrogen sulfide. So the word is now Uranus smells bad. which is because Uranus is too far from the sun. The sun doesn't shine very brightly in Uranus like it does on Jupiter, Saturn, and destroys the hydrogen sulfide. Well, talking about Uranus being a strange guy, when I was a postdoc, we had this professor, strange guy, and after talking, he didn't talk about Uranus. He talked about equipment. He said we have the best equipment room in the university. We've got a new building. We've got the best equipment room, and I want that equipment room organized. I want it orderly. I want it so orderly that you can find anything you want. For example, if you're doing a project, if you're building a piece of equipment and you need a particular kind of screw, you can find any kind of screw you want in our new equipment room. And so everybody was laughing at this guy. Well, you're not laughing at the screws, so being an American, I guess, talking about screws, we've got a president who wants the screws. President Trump, he complains. The worst thing about the White House is you can't watch porn in the White House. I'm glad that we have a few more people. Looks like we have a lot of Hong Kong people. Hong Kong people. Yeah, well, hoi sum yo Hong Kong yan lai ting yak say guilo gong song duk sil. Well, hi yak say guilo. So are you from Hong Kong? Oh, you sure want daylight about where are you from?
Canada.
Oh, Canada. Okay, try your return.
It's all right. It's all right.
Okay. Well, you look like you could be a school principal, and you look like you could be a school principal too. I guess I got. Yeah, we can have a movie. So, but you're from Hong Kong?
No.
Well, where are you from?
Singapore.
Oh, like Gong Gong Nong Wan.
Cantonese.
And Cantonese. Yeah, did you know that we're not just Huelos here in Hong Kong? Everybody's heard of Huelo, it basically means we're pale-face. Well, we're not just a pale-face, they call us a Seguelo, or a dead pale-face. We're like pale death. I'm so light, I'm so white. That totally fits me. And I also like saying I'm uninhibited. In Cantonese, you say, "Woho butt gay." Yes, I'm uninhibited. I'm butt gay, and don't want to be taking too long. Andrew's doing the calculations on the calculator, but I can do math pretty well, so I'm a human calculator in Cantonese. Well, hi, yek, guy so gay. I'm a guy so gay, but I'm not gay. I just sound that way. So we've had a great night. Turn it back over to Andrew Grant, Hot Balls of Gas in Hong Kong.
One more time for Dr. Stuart Tanner!
Yeah.
Hello, new arrivals. You guys looking to watch tonight, or one of you hoping to get on